In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Squarespace to Freshsales, a seamless integration that will help you automate your processes and save time. Let's get started and dive right into the steps to make this connection happen. First off, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and search for Zapier. Zapier is a powerful online automation tool that allows you to connect different apps and services together without any coding knowledge. Once you've found the Zapier website, click to access the homepage. Now, if you already have a Zapier account, simply log in with your credentials. In case you haven't signed up yet, don't worry. Creating a new account is straightforward. Just follow the prompts to get set up and log in. Once you're logged into Zapier, you'll want to create a new Zap. A Zap is an automated workflow that connects your apps and services. On your Zapier dashboard, look for the option to Create a Zap and click on it to get started. The next step is to set up your trigger app, which in this case will be Squarespace. You'll need to select Squarespace as your trigger app and then choose a trigger event. A common choice here is the new transaction trigger, which means that your workflow will initiate whenever there's a new transaction on your Squarespace site. It's time to connect your Squarespace account by following the on-screen instructions and granting the necessary permissions. With your trigger app configured, it's on to setting up the action app. For this, you'll select Freshsales. Freshsales is a customer relationship management tool that helps you manage your leads and customers. Once you've chosen Freshsales, select an action event. A good option might be Add File, which will allow you to store records from Squarespace transactions in your Freshsales account. Next, you'll need to connect your Freshsales account, just like you did with Squarespace, by providing the necessary account details and permissions. After both your trigger and action apps are linked up, click on Continue to proceed to mapping the data. This part connects specific data fields from Squarespace to your Freshsales account, such as customer information or transaction details. Zapier usually provides a user-friendly interface to help you align these fields correctly. Once you've mapped the data to your satisfaction, it's crucial to test your Zap to ensure everything works smoothly. By running a test, you can be sure that the integration functions as expected. If everything looks good and performs without errors, go ahead and click Publish to activate your Zap. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Squarespace to Freshsales using Zapier. This automated workflow will now run in the background, keeping your systems in sync without any additional effort on your part. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the benefits of a more automated business process.